In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website for free. Start by going to WebStarts.com. WebStarts.com is a website builder. It includes everything you need to create your very own free custom website. It's easy to use because you don't need to know how to code. You simply drag and drop things wherever you want them to appear. To get started, click on Get Started. It's free. In this first step, you choose a design. You can search through designs by category. So for example, if you wanted a business design, you could click on the business category. If you wanted something in health or fitness, you could click on that category. But for this example, I'm just going to choose any one of these designs. In the next step, all you need to do is enter your name, email address, and choose a password for your account. When you're ready, click Sign Up. And then choose a web address for your website. You can choose from a free .webstarts.com address, but if you're ready to go ahead and add a top-level domain name like your very own .com to your account, you can enter that in here, but it does require you to choose a paid plan. I want to create a free website, so I'm going to choose a free web address. When your account first loads, you'll be greeted by this player that shows you how to get around in your WebStarts account. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Here you can see a site thumbnail. Click on Edit Site to begin editing the pages. In WebStarts, everything's drag and drop, so you select whatever you want to move around the page and just place it wherever you want it to appear. If you want to edit the contents of most of the elements, all you need to do is double click on it. You can just replace the text by typing over it. And you can begin to customize the website really any way you want. If you want to swap out some photos, you can just double click on it and then choose a new photo. You can either upload a photo from your local computer or choose one that you've already uploaded. I've chosen a different one that comes with this template. Here I've got a form. In order to edit the form, same thing, just double click on it and then you can edit things like the fields to the form. So if I wanted to ask for more information, I could just click on that and then update my form, and you can see my form has grown. If you want to create space in your design so that you can insert some content, use these smart handles that will push down everything below the smart handle. Push it down the page so then you can go ahead and insert whatever you want. Most of the elements in this template are on strips. Those are full width boxes, really rectangular areas that you can fill up with content. You can do things like insert images by clicking on the insert image icon. And then, of course, everything in WebStarts can be resized by grabbing the handles and then dragging things where you want them. Notice that I use those guidelines to center my content. If you want to add text, you can click Add Text, and then you can choose from different sizes of text that are available. And then, of course, you can change the contents of any one of these text boxes just by clicking in it. Here, same thing, I can resize those text boxes. I'm not going to put any content in this for this demo, but you could imagine filling this up with, whatever content is relevant to your website. Most of the time, you'll want to get found on search engines, so I'm going to show you some basic search engine optimization. Click on Pages while in this editor view. Click on the settings icon to the right of the home page, and then give your page a name and a title that makes sense based on the keywords people might use to search for your website online. So for example, I'm going to say maybe I type in that and then type in some of the keywords that people might look. And then a brief description. This would be the part that shows up below the bold title in Google search results. So you would want to type a full paragraph here that uses some of those keywords. in a natural way. And then you just go through and you do that for each page, giving it an individual title, loading the keywords, and the description. When you're ready, click update, and then be sure to save those changes so they're applied to your site. Of course, you can always share your site on Facebook and Twitter. You can view your site by clicking on the View Site button. Now, if you get to the point that you decide that you want to connect a domain name or add a domain name to this website, you can click on this option, but that's when you get into the paid plans. With WebStarts, you need to have at least a Pro Plus plan, but that includes a domain name, so it's really the most affordable way to create a professional, serious business website online. So that concludes this demo. There's a whole lot of other things that you can find in your WebStarts account. You can even create things like a store, a blog. You can send emails. You can create an email that matches your domain name. You can have analytics, SSL. You can chat on your website. It's included, so you can just enable that and then have live chat on your website. So there's just a ton of features. I don't have time to go through them all in this video, but be sure to check out webstarts.com and visit the webstarts.com YouTube channel as well to see literally hundreds of videos on these features. Thanks for watching.